Hello, welcome to live class. So I already discussing in last classes, that is rest, motion, rest and motion. They are relative. Motion, rest are relative. Next, distance, displacement, speed, velocity, and velocity types. Then acceleration, then acceleration, then acceleration types. So I discussed equations, equations of linear, equations of linear motion, equations of linear motion. So in last class I discussed, in last class I discussed equations of linear motion. So here I discussed equations of linear motion. So here we have four equations. We have four equations. So first one, what is first one? Can you say? V equal to u plus 80. V equal to u plus 80. Second equation is equal to ut plus of 80 square. The third equation, nth displacement. Third equation will be v square minus u square equal to 2as. V square minus 2as. V square minus u square equal to 2as. Fourth equation, nth second displacement. Nth second displacement, that is equal to u plus a of n minus of. See, these are the four equations, kinematic equations. So we are applying here linearly moving body. That is, the body is, if it is in linear motion, we can apply these four equations. That is v equal to u plus 80, s equal to ut plus r t square, v square minus u square equal to as, sn equal to u plus a of n minus of. These are four equations. Okay. So yesterday I discussed this question. So here in the all four equations, u is initial velocity, v is final velocity, a is uniform acceleration, t is time. So here the displacement covered by the body, if it is moving with initial velocity u with acceleration a for time t. So here it is started with initial velocity, it increased velocity to v, with it is moving with uniform acceleration, the covered by displacement s. Like that, in the second displacement, yesterday I given one problem to you. Yesterday I given one problem to you. Just we will look here. That means Sn equal to u plus a n minus half. U plus a n minus half. So here, for example, I take one problem here. So do this problem, give me answer. A body covered a distance with initial velocity 2 meter per second and acceleration 2 meter per second square for 5 seconds. See, a body covered a distance, otherwise displacement with initial velocity 2 meter per second, with the acceleration it is going 2 meter per second for 5 seconds. For 5 seconds. So for this, see, this is the picture, this is the path. So it started with u equal to 2 meter per second. It traveled for 5 seconds. So with the acceleration 2 meter per second square. So how much displacement it covered in 5 seconds? How much displacement it covered in 5 seconds? That means S equal to, see, we are taking here total 5 seconds. Total journey we are taking here. Total journey. Total journey, how much time it has taken by the body? That is equal to 5 seconds. So use S equal to ut of at square. So u is nothing but 2 into, just you do this problem. See, take here u equal to 2 meter per second, t equal to 5 seconds, a equal to 2 meter per second, t equal to 5 seconds. Just substitute and do it and give me answer first. S equal to ut plus half at square. Use this formula and substitute these things and tell me the answer first. Okay. So did you get, how much you got? 36 meter. Now I will check it. So u equal to 2 meter per second, t is 5 seconds, u into t plus half into a is 2 into t square. T square means t equal to 5 whole square. You will get 2 5s are 10 plus 2 2s are cancel, 25. So you got this much 35 meter. So I got 35 meter. I think you got it, that is 36 meter. So 35 meter is right answer. Is it or not? 2 into 5, 2 into 5, 10. 1 by 2 into a is 2 acceleration, t square 25 plus 10, 35 meter. So the body covered 35 meter with, which is moving with initial velocity 2 meter per second with the acceleration 2 meter per second square for 5 seconds. So now I discuss, you just write this value aside, that is the displacement covered by the body in 5 seconds, that is equal to 35 meter. Okay, now I will apply that fourth equation in nth second displacement. I will apply here. So here the body starts with 2 meter per second, then with the acceleration, with the uniform acceleration 2 meter per second square. So I am splitting here the total journey in 5 seconds. It traveled actually. It traveled for 5 seconds. Now I am splitting in 5 parts. First, second, third, fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first second displacement, second displacement, third second, fourth second, fifth second displacement. So this is the how we are applying here. See, for total for 5 seconds, the time is t, if t equal to 5 seconds, then we are getting 35 meters. So what I am doing now, here in first second, so that means t equal to 0 to t equal to 1, in t equal to 0 to t equal to 1, in first second, how much travel distance the covered by that body, s1. Then t equal to 1 to t equal to 2, the body covered displacement s2. Then t equal to 2 to t equal to 3 seconds, the body covered displacement s3. Then t equal to 3 to t equal to 4, the body covered displacement s4. Then 4 to 5, total time completed, this is s5. So my question is, if s equal to the total displacement covered by that body is equal to s1 plus s2 plus s3 plus s4 plus s5. See, this should be, it is t equal to 5. The displacement covered by the body in t equal to 5 seconds, that is equal to, in first second displacement, in second displacement, in third second displacement, in fourth second displacement, in fifth second displacement. So can you prove this one? Can you solve? That's why I am giving for you only. Calculate s1 displacement, u equal to s1 equal to u plus a of n minus half. So for s equal to this one, s1 you calculate, s2 you calculate, s3 you calculate, s3, s4, s5. Just calculate the values and tell me first. Calculate these values. So what values you have to calculate? S1, S2, S3, S4, S5. So these 5 values we just calculate individually. Calculate these values individually. First, tell me the first answer, S1. Tell me the first answer, S1. Come on. See what is S1 here? U plus, U means 2 meter per second, plus A means 2, A of n minus, that is n equal to 1 minus half. You will get 2 plus 2 into 1 minus half, that means 1 by 2. So you will get 3 meter. S1 you got 3 meter. Then like that you calculate u plus a n minus half. What we have the formula in n second displacement, u plus a of n minus half. Calculate this, use this formula, calculate like that. See here, 2 plus 2 of n minus of n equal to 1 in first second displacement 1 minus of, so 1 by 2, 2 into 1 by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2, this will come equal to 1, so 2 plus 1 equal to 3 meter. Then second, what about is s2, you will get 5 meter, here you will get 7 meter, here you will get 9 meter, here you will get 11 meter. So I will add these things, 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, so 20, 27, 32, that is equal to 35 meter. Already we got for 5 seconds 35 meter in 5 seconds individual, first second, second second, third second, fourth second, fifth second. The sum of these things also we are getting same. So that's why what we did, that is right. So total displacement covered by the body in 5 seconds, total displacement covered by the body in 5 seconds, that is equal to in first second displacement plus second displacement plus third second displacement plus fourth second displacement plus fifth second displacement. So is it right or not? So individually we calculated s equal for t equal 5 seconds how much displacement it traveled, that is equal to 35 meter. Here we added s first second displacement in second displacement, third second, fourth second, fifth second displacements we added, that is equal to also 35 meter. So both are right. Is it or not? Okay, right. So I want to say this one only. Okay, now have you understand? If it is yes, message me yes. Come on. Have you understand? Message me yes. Okay. I will give some more problems up to now what I discussed. Based on those things, I will discuss some problems to you. See here, I am giving one problem to you. That is, you write the problem. A person walks. A person walks a distance of a distance of a distance of 30 meter towards west. See, a person walks a distance of 30 meter towards west with a speed of 2 meter per second. Just write the problem. 2 meter per second and 40 meter towards north with a speed of 1.5 meter per second. The average speed and average velocity of for his journey. So this is a question. You just write and read first. A person walks a distance of 30 meter towards west with a speed of 2 meter per second and 40 meter towards north with a speed of 1.5 meter per second. The average speed and average velocity for his journey. So this is a situation. You read the question and try it. I will explain. Come on, read the question. What is the information you have? Just write below. Come on, yeah. Okay. See, the question is good question here. A person walks a distance of 30 meter. A distance of 30 meter towards west with a speed 2 meter per second. 40-meter distance towards north with speed 1.5 meter per second. So we have to find average speed and average velocity for his journey. So how the question is like this. So always takes this is north, south, east, west. So here a person walks a distance of 30 meter towards west. 30 meter towards west. See here 30 meter towards west with a speed of 2 meter per second. Speed of 2 meter per second. See, you just observe the question clearly. I will draw neatly and big size in big size. This is north, this is south, east, west. So this center point. A person walks a distance of 30 meter towards west. See, walks 30 meter with a speed of 2 meter per second towards west. Okay. Next, 40 meters and towards north. 40 meters towards north. Here it is 40 meter towards north with a speed of 1.5 meter per second. 1.5 meter per second. So this information we have. This information we have. So what is the information we have in this question? So a person walks towards west 30 meter with a speed of 2 meter per second. Okay. Then he walked towards north 40 meter with a speed of 1.5 meter per second. With 1.5 meter per second. With 1.5 meter per second. Then, so this is the initial position, this will be final position. This is the initial, this will be final. So this one initial, this will be final position. Okay. So he traveled in this direction, then he traveled towards north, first initially towards west, then towards north. He traveled 30 meter 2 meter per second, 40 meter 1.5 meter per second. So for this, so first we want to calculate average speed. So average speed, the formula for average speed, do you know? Yes, already I explained to you. Average speed is equal to total distance by total distance by total time. So here he traveled here to here 30 meter, then he traveled 40 meter, total distance 30 meter plus 40 meter, that is equal to 30 meter plus 40 meter. So already I explained distance is length of the actual path. Length of the actual path. Actually how much he traveled, that is length of how much he traveled, length of actual path, length of actual path. So here 30, this one, this is the path he traveled here to here, 30 plus 40 meter, 30 meter plus 40 meter. Here he traveled 30 meter with 2 meter per second speed, 40 meter with 1.5 meter per second. So how much time taken here? So for this distance, he traveled with 2 meter per second. Time equal to what? Already you know this speed equal to distance by time. Then time equal to what? Distance by speed. Distance by speed. Just apply here. Distance is 30 meter by 2. Speed is 2. Then you will get 15 seconds. 15 seconds. So here, then here also 40 meter covered with 1.5. So distance 40 meter by 1.5. You remove this decimal. Here put here 5 3 ja 5 8 ja 80 by 3 seconds. So we have the full information now. We have that one. So the person walked 30 meter with 2 meter per second in 15 seconds up to here. Then he traveled towards north. He covered 40 meter with 1.5 meter per second. He taken time 80 by 3 seconds. So this is the situation here. So for 30 meter, how much time? T1 plus T2. T1 equal 15 seconds plus 80 by 3 seconds. 70 by 15 plus 80 by 3. So you will get 70 by 3 5 of 45 plus 80 into 3. 210 by 125. So this is the average speed meter per second. I am not going into decimals. So here 210 by 125. Otherwise I am writing here 210 by 125 meter per second. 220 by 210 by 125 meter per second. This is average speed of the person. Average speed of the person. Up to half part we completed. If you just copy it, if you not understanding, I will explain one more time. No problem. You first do this. Copy and write the problem first. Have you understand? Message me yes or no first. This is somewhat typical. I explain concepts only, but you have to think some more, some high. So have you understand? Message me yes and copy this problem first. Yes. So here I am repeating. A person walks a distance 30 meter towards west with a speed of 2 meter per second and 40 meter towards north 40 meter with a speed of 1.5 meter per second. So for here up to this distance, that is 30 meter, he travels with 2 meter per second. Time taken is 30 by 2, speed by distance by speed, that is equal 15 seconds. The time taken to cover 30 meter. Towards north, this is the distance 40 meter with the speed 1.5 meter per second. He took 80 by 3 seconds. 80 by 3 seconds. So average speed already you have the formula I given to you. If you go back your pages, if you go back your notes, you will get total distance by total time. That is equal to S1 plus S2 by T1 plus T2. So S1 is 30 meter, S2 is 40 meter, 30 plus 40, 70 by 50 plus 80 by 3. If you do little bit mathematics, you will get 210 by 125 meter per second. That is equal to average speed. That is equal to average speed. Now I am going to calculate average velocity. So what is the formula average velocity for you? What is the formula? So I am writing once again. This is north, this is south, east, west. So here the person traveled towards west. 30 meter with 2 meter per second. Is it? Then towards north, 40 meter he traveled with 1.5 meter per second. So here time taken 15 second, already we calculated. Here time taken t2, that is equal to 80 by 3 seconds. So this is 40 meter towards north. So he traveled like this, like this. So for total distance, how much he covered? This is initial position of the person. This is the final position. So distance is nothing but length of actual path. Length of actual path. This is a 30 meter plus 40 meter. Total will be 70 meter. So what about displacement? What about displacement? The shortest distance between initial and final position. So this will become displacement. This will become displacement. The distance between initial and final positions. Displacement. The distance between initial and final positions. So here, so if you want to calculate average velocity, total distance or displacement. Message me fast. Distance or displacement for average velocity formula. Total distance or displacement. Come on, short in text. Chat box. Distance. If it is distance, you write message me distance. So what we have to write? I have to write here. Total displacement by total time. Here total displacement by total time. Total displacement, what is the displacement here? The distance between initial and final positions. So this distance we have to calculate now. This distance we have to calculate. This is a right angle triangle. So I will discuss here. This is a right angle triangle. This is 30 meter. This will become 40 meter. Then what about this one? Right angle triangle. By Pythagoras law, this hypotenuse square equal to 40 square plus 30 square. Hypotenuse square equal to 40 square plus 30 square. 1600 plus 900, 2500. H equal to what? Root of 2500. You will get 500. So not 550 you will get. So this is 50 meter. So here in last we calculate average speed. We calculated average speed. In calculating average speed, we calculate total distance. Total distance we got, that is 30 plus 40, 70 meter. Here we are calculating average velocity, that is total displacement by total time. Total displacement, that is nothing but initial and final positions by using Pythagoras law. This is triangular, this is rectangle with right angle at this point. So here in triangle, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Hypotenuse square equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. If you calculate hypotenuse, that is 50 meter, we got this one. This is the displacement of the person. Initial and final position, the distance is 50 meter. So we can substitute here total displacement 50 meter. Already we have this is about this one 15 seconds, about this one 80 by 3 seconds. 15 plus 80 by 3 seconds. So here 50 by 3, 15, 45, 45 plus 80. 125 by 3. If you, this is a fraction, if it go up 150 by 125 meter per second. This is average velocity. So have you understand? Now average velocity 150 by 125 meter per second. So I calculated here, just I substitute total displacement equal to 50 meter. Total time is 15 plus 80 by 3, that is equal to 125 by 3. This is a fraction in denominator. It will go up 50 into 3, 150 by 125 meter per second average velocity equal. Is it visible now? Is it visible? Yes? No? I think this is not visible, I think. So I will explain here. Which I will explain. So this is triangular, we have triangle 30 meter, 40 meter. This is how much? This is how much? So hypotenuse square equal to 30 square plus 40 square, 900 plus 1600, you will get 2500. Hypotenuse square equal to 2500, then h equal to hypotenuse equal to, you will get 50. See, this is initial position, this will be final position. The distance between these two we got 50 meter. That's why I substituted here 50 meter. 50 meter by 15 plus 80 by 3, you will get this much. Is there any problem? I think nothing is there. You just copy it. If you have any doubt, just message me where you are getting doubt in these cases. First copy it, write the problem and copy it. Already we calculated average speed, now we are calculating average velocity. There average speed we calculate total distance, that is equal to 30 plus 40, but here we have to calculate total displacement, that we calculated by using hypotenuse Pythagoras law, that is 30 plus 30 40, then it will become 50. Hypotenuse square equal to 30 square plus 40 square, 900 plus 1600, you will getting 5500 for h square, h equal to 50 root 25 and nothing but 50. So here 50 meter by total displacement 50 meter, the displacement will be 50 meter by total time, this is 15 seconds, this is 80 by 3 seconds. Finally you will get this one. What happens? If you understand, no. So where you are not getting, message me. Where you have the doubt, message me. And this one, at hypotenuse calculating here, other either here, where it is about here, or a total displacement, where is your doubt? Fast, just you call me, my number Balu, you just call me. Hypotenuse, so okay, right. So just you copy this one. Now I will explain how to calculate. So here is right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. Here the right angle, that means 90 degree. This is 30 meter. This is 40 meter. This will 30 meter. This will become. This is 40 meter. We have to calculate this. So if this will be theta, so angle between these two, this hypotenuse, this will call as hypotenuse. This will call, this is theta, theta opposite. So if we look this one, this is opposite side. What is this? Opposite side. So this line will become, see, this is adjacent to this angle. So adjacent side. Adjacent side. So this is a theta opposite to this angle. This will is opposite side. This will opposite side. This is theta adjacent to this angle, adjacent side. This will become adjacent side. This will opposite side. This is theta. If you, for example, if you are looking here, see I am observing here. So this is opposite side. So opposite side. This will become opposite side. So adjacent to this angle, so this we can call it adjacent side. Simple, you just copy this one. So this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Now, according to Pythagoras law, hypotenuse square equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So opposite side, that is equal to 40 meter square plus adjacent side 30 meter square. So 40 meter, you just leave it this one. 40 into 40, 1600 plus 30 into 30, 900. You will get 2500. Oh, here it is. It's not visible to you. See, up to here it's clear. Opposite square plus adjacent square, adjacent side square. Now h square equal to opposite side. Opposite side is 40 square plus adjacent side 30 square. This will become 16 and this will become 900. So you are getting 2500 for hypotenuse square equal for hypotenuse under root of 25, that is equal to 50 meter. Is it? See, for any triangle, if it is right angle means if any, see, every triangle has three angles. If any angle is 90 degree, then we can call it right angle triangle. So right angle is at this vertex. Here at this vertex, some theta is there. Theta is opposite side. So if you see from here, you will get opposite side. This will become opposite side. The adjacent to this angle, we can call it adjacent side. So what we have the formula according to Pythagoras law? Hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent side square. Opposite side square, that's 40 square plus 30 into 30. 900, 2500, that is equal to 50 meter. Now it is okay. Okay. Just copy it. Okay. Now I will use one simple problem. this problem. An aeroplane an aeroplane moves an aeroplane moves 400 meter towards 400 meter north towards north and 300 meter towards 300 meter towards west. So just you write the problem, and then 1200 meter vertically upwards then displacement then the displacement from the initial position is, see here the question you just copied first. An aeroplane moves 400 meter towards north, 300 meter towards west, then 200 meter vertically upwards, then the displacement from the initial position is. After copying this one, you just read the question first. Solution for this one. See, already I explained, this is north, this is south, east. Always in paper, on the paper you have to write the directions in this way only. So upwards north, opposite south, towards east, right side, left side, west. So an aeroplane moves 400 meter towards north, 400 meter towards north, 300 meter towards west. Then what happens here? From here to it travels towards west. How much? 300 meter towards west. See, are you following me? Simple, an aeroplane moves towards north 400 meter, then moves towards 300 meter towards west. First initially it's go up and moves towards west 300 meter, and then 200 meter vertically upwards. So from here it goes up, so vertical upwards. So here this is 200 meter, is it? See, initially it started here, this is the starting position, so ending here. See, actual path, see, it goes 400 meter towards north, then 300 meter towards west, then goes up 200 meter in the air. So we have to find in this question displacement from its initial position here, final position here. This is the displacement we have to calculate. That is the big question here. See how is it started here, it moves up, it started here, moves up, then moves west, then goes up. So we have to calculate the displacement of an aeroplane from initial position. This is the initial and final. So displacement, generally the definition of displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final positions. So here, how do we calculate? That is the question. How do we calculate? You just think it. I will give for 50 seconds for you. Just think it. Then so here first, see, this is a situation here. It traveled up, then towards north, towards west, then upwards, like this. So here we have to calculate this displacement. So for extent, if you connect these things, how much you will get? This is 300, this is 400. How much you will get? 500 meter. Is it okay? Is it? Are you following me? This is 300. This will become 400. This is a right angle triangle. Up to now explained Pythagoras law. So this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is nothing but adjacent side square plus opposite square. 300 square plus 400 square under root, you will get 500 meter. So I got this is a right angle triangle. Now we have one more right angle here. I think up to this understand. Okay, now we got one more right angle. So this is 1200 meter. This is 1200 meter. Then this will become 500 meter. So what about this one? So this is right angle triangle actually. This is 1200 meter. This will become 500 meter. Okay, this will become, this is 1200, this will become 500. What about this one? Hypotenuse square. This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equal to 500 square plus 1200 square. 25,000,144,000. You will get 169,000. So this is hypotenuse square. H square h equal to, you will get under root of, so 169,13,000. So hypotenuse equal to 1300, you will get this length will be 1300 meter. 1300 meter. So this is the, see, now this is initial position, this will become final position. The distance we calculated, how much it is? 1300 meter. Is it okay for you? So answer is here 1300 meter. This is the right. See, if you understand, have you understand this one? Have you understand? Yes or no? It will be typical concept, typical problem also. No? So I will explain one more time. This is initial position. The aeroplane goes up towards north 400 meter, then towards 300 meter. 300 meter. Then it goes up. Up means it will go like this. So first, this is a right angle triangle. You just close it. Here, this is 300, this is 400. So according to Pythagoras law, this 300, this 400, this will become 500 meter. How it is? 300 square plus 400 square. 300 square plus 400 square under root. Just you calculate, you will get 500 meter. That's it. So this is 500. It goes up to 1200 meter. Up to 1200 meter. So here to here 1200 meter. We have 500 meter. This one we connected like this. This is initial position. This will become final position. This is also one right angle triangle. How it is means, it goes up north, then it goes up 400 meter. This will be, it travels 300 meter. Then here, then it went up 1200. So here like this means like this, otherwise like this. So we have to calculate this is. So here how much, this is a right angle triangle, it goes up. So this right angle triangle, this will become also one right angle triangle. So this will here also right angle will be there. It should be, is not, I am showing in two dimensions. In three dimensions it will be like, it will become like this. 1200 meter, then 500 meter, then we have to calculate this one. So this is 500 meter, this will become 1200 meter, this is initial position, this will be final position. This hypotenuse we will get 1200 whole square plus 500 square, you will get 169 under root, that we will get 1300 meter. So like this we calculate displacement from the initial position. Simple. Take this right angle triangle, you are getting 500, this 200, this 500, this is a right angle triangle. What is this triangle? Right angle triangle. Here, so this will become right angle triangle. So this one. Here, right angle will be there. This is 200, this is 500. So this is the hypotenuse, that is 1300. This is the final answer. You just copy it. If you have any problem, message me. Okay, bye bye today. I will explain one more time. If you have any doubt, message me. I will explain one more time tomorrow. Okay, bye. Message me yes or no. Message me yes or no. Have you understand? Fast. Fast. Message me yes. Okay, bye. Is it good or bad? Message me good or bad. Fast respond. Fast. Follow. Bye bye.